like a Hellcat.
Okay, welcome back to another video. I think I'm going to post these on Monday, so I'm going to just call this Maintenance Monday. As you can see, my hydraulic caps are all missing. These things get old and they get brittle. You can see how stiff that one is. Here's a brand new one. Stiff. So, I tossed the other two away already, and I doubt I can even slip this one off over the top. If this doesn't break and I get this off intact, I'm gonna fall over. Oh, no. Yeah, they just get so swollen you can't even pull them off. So that's my blue one. There's my red one. I lost the other two in fall already when I put the Snowblower on. They're a good thing to keep on. Keeps any junk from building up in your hydraulics, and if you don't believe me that stuff gets back that far, top of the loader mount there we got dirt, so get you guys back in here. I'm just gonna take some brake clean and just kind of get some of the oil net out of them and make sure there's nothing stuck in them, because the caps have been off for a while. Just kind of clean them out a little bit. So now we can put caps back on. And if anybody was paying attention, you would have been doing, all these things are going to be cool. Oh, wow. One thing is going hard. There's my red one. And I'll put all the part numbers down in the description here. But there's the part number for the red one. It'll also be down in the description. It's black. Part number for the blue one. And these things aren't cheap. These things were about $5 a piece. And if anybody's wondering how I know what one's what, down here, there's a yellow zip tie on there. So I probably got that. I gotta cut that zip tie off. Give me a second. As AV would say, in Apex we trust. So now this is gonna be interesting because I got a camera in my way, and I also have a light in my way. There we go. So yeah, yellow zip tie. So my bottom one's yellow. And there's the part number for the yellow one. And if you're new to my channel and you're wondering what piece of equipment this is a John Deere 1025R. I think this is 2017 I bought this one. So it's been a few years. And last, there's your part number for the black one. And hopefully I got these all in the right order. So I think I do. there we go. All done. Pretty simple little job. But there you guys go. A little bit of maintenance. If you're new to my channel, I do videos mostly with this lovely piece of equipment and this 648R 48-inch stand-on. I've got the loader here. I do not have a backhoe. I have other equipment, custom-built roller, sprayer, stuff like that. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is master.of.everything on Instagram. Have a nice day.
Feel me like a Hellcat.